Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Recipes with Sharon. This is like a little sequel to the last video. Here it is, buffalo chicken potato skins. Just like I promised. These ones are for the people in your life that really like to spice it up. And this requires a few more ingredients, which I'll give to you as we go along. So here we are, washing up some russet potatoes again. And once again, you can use whatever potato you like. But the russet does add a lot of nice flavor in potato skins. And you take a knife, cut your potato lengthwise in half, and hollow out the centers again, just like we did for the bacon and cheese potato skin recipe. And remember to place your center pieces that you hollow out into a small bowl and keep them for frying up later. Now place a little olive oil in a small bowl and brush the inside of the potato skins with this olive oil. You'll have your potato skins on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, because these ones we're going to bake in the oven. So this is where we switch it up a little bit and the recipe changes. So alright, we'll put this into a 400-degree oven, place it on the middle rack for about 40 minutes or so, or until they're cooked through and lightly golden. Now then, I'm cutting up a couple of chicken breasts. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped chicken. And you'll place that chicken in a medium-sized bowl. And you can just leave the cooked chicken like it is, or you can opt to marinate it with buffalo hot sauce. If you marinate, it only needs about 30 minutes for the flavor to soak into the chicken. So we need about a half a cup of mozzarella cheese and about a cup and a half of sharp aged cheddar. Let's get ready to make spicy buffalo cream filling. Get out your hand mixer and get down a medium-sized bowl. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 package of ranch seasoning, and a quarter to a half cup of hot sauce, depending on how hot you'd like this to be. So if you marinate your chicken, use a quarter of a cup. If you don't, you might want as much as half a cup. And mix it really well with your hand mixer until it's nice and creamy. Well, this looks like it's well blended, so we'll set that aside until we're ready to add it. We will need this cream filling, the peppercorn ranch dressing, and the cheeses, as well as the chicken that we've prepared. So I take the chicken out of the marinated sauce and I cut it up a little bit further and I dry it out just a little bit so it's not all soupy with that sauce. Then you take the cream mixture and add it to your potato skins. That's your base. About a teaspoon in each potato skin, but you can add as much or as little as you like. Then add your pieces of chicken and then top it off starting with the mozzarella cheese. And finish it with aged cheddar cheese. I'll place these back in the oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees, and you leave it in until the cheese is nicely melted, approximately 5 minutes. And then I like to switch it over to broil just for a minute or two to finish it off. It crisps up the cheese. I use lots of cheese, and what's overflown onto the parchment paper, it's so fun to peel that off and eat it and crisp it up a little bit. So here it is, fresh out of the oven. So next we'll top it off with a little peppercorn ranch dressing. Drizzle it back and forth on top like this, and you can even have some available on the side. Then garnish it with a few chopped green onions, and it's ready to serve. So this one's for buffalo chicken potato skins, right alongside the cheese and bacon potato skins that I provided on the video before this. So here's something to suit every taste bud. I hope you enjoy this, and happy eating. Thanks for watching, everybody.